Hello! If you have been following me for a while, you may know that I'm a big fan of curiosity. However, I recently had a personal experience that made me stop and reflect. My favorite uncle is 87 years old and currently living in a nursing home in Austria. During my visit, we had some meaningful conversations. He has an analytical mind and struggles to socialize with others. I suggested he try being more curious about the people around him. He responded, "When I was growing up, I learned that it's a bad thing to be nosy about others." This really got me thinking. Perhaps there are others who don't fully understand the difference between being curious and being nosy. Here's my perspective on the matter. Being curious means having a genuine interest in people, understanding how things work, or finding new solutions to old problems. It shows that you have an inquisitive mind. Being nosy, on the other hand, involves seeking information to gossip about others with little or no respect for their privacy. Learning to understand what's important to your team members is essential, as everyone has different needs, motivations, stresses, beliefs, and values. I want to leave you with a quote from an unknown author. "The future belongs to the curious. The ones who are not afraid to try it, explore it, poke at it, question it, and turn it inside out." Here's to you and your curiosity. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.